We're at the Skills Training Center today. We're partnering with first responders, firemen across Treasure Valley, up north, McCall, New Meadows. Just really trying to learn from one another. We both respond to car pulls, outages, fires. Just trying to educate them on what we do when we show up, and we're looking to see what they need from us and how we can help them.
So what we're planning on doing, we're just going to kind of walk you through the substation, just kind of explain what the equipment is and what it does for us. If there's any questions, just throw them out there.
So we got 6 different stations today. We got the 15 kV board, that's in the classroom. And then we've got a station in our lab that incorporates what we call our dirt box. It's our real technical term. That's showing like step and touch potential, and then if you had like wire down on a car, what you should do. Then we have another station that we use what's called our troubleshooting sheds, and that's showing them a meter base awareness. So, hey, if you pull a meter, there's still electricity going to the building, or there still might be electricity inside the building, so making them aware of that. Our 4th station is substations, and that's just an awareness of our substations. Basically, we want you to stay outside the fence and fight the fire, but it's good to educate them on what's inside the substation and why they should not go in there. And then our last 2 stations are out in our training yard, and that is our overhead, which is showing different components of our overhead system, and then our underground, which is the same, just different components of our underground system.
They talk to us about what they are looking for when they show up. We're talking to them about things that we want them to watch out for. Don't touch the wire, don't get people out of cars, wait till our first responders show up to make sure it's tested, grounded, and we've got it de-energized.
I'm very impressed with how parallel our organizations seem to be. I can come in and speak very similar language with your employees because we all take our profession very seriously. We work in an inherently dangerous environment in which very clear-cut guidelines are created because of mishaps that were happened long before we even got here. And we adhere to those things because we know that they will save our lives. And we all have this embodied safety culture that you can just see it and you can hear it in everybody's language and the way they carry themselves. And I draw a very strong parallel to the fire service because I feel that that's exactly what we try to embody to try to make sure we all go home.